I talked to Dr. Crabblesnitch for half an hour yesterday.
I don't know what to do when boys talk to me. I just get so nervous.
Feeling sorry for yourself. Never helped anybody.
So long.
Bye.
I know I'm a
So
good
long.
kid. Practiced for years on my arm. She just sucks so much she can't tell.
Help your fellow
Hey,
bulwark
check
the
this
Cataman.
out. They should be kept in chains in the basement. Yeah.
You know you look silly like that, don't you?
What's up, man?
Oh, hi!
Good day, everyone. I'm Mr. Matthews, your geography teacher. I know you're all enthusiastic and ready to learn. Otherwise, why would you be here? No, I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Try again. Heavens! Whatever gave you that idea? A fair guess, but I'm afraid it's wrong. You've charted a fine course for yourself, son. Bravo!
Did you see that?
That's it?
You know, I'm so hard on everyone around me, but I never judge myself.
I wish I could do something wild and exciting, like go to a
Hey,
big city.
can you help me with
Hey,
something?
man, can you
No
give
problem.
me some TP? It's a bit of an emergency.
Sorry about that.
All I need now is a bottle rocket and the plans will be all set.
I'm all state beatdowns too, son. I wonder
Settle down, lady, before I bruise that pretty little face of yours.
Hey, thanks a lot, big guy.
I can't wait to make my mom calls me princess. She says I'm really special. I'm like a prince, you know? Little jerk's
Hey, this ain't no school dance. Rush into him.
The more you make me run, the harder I'm going to beat you when I catch you. Forward prefect,
Those
called
clothes weren't
immediately.
new.
You think I won't stop until you are apprehended? You're coming with me. I'm going to nip your crime spree in the bud.
I'll beat you
better
later,
tell me what's
Hawkins. Anger management is overrated when you can beat people.
I'll get them for the wedgie.
You know, despite all the jerks in this place, I really love this school.
I wish I could just stay in bed and read today.
I hope everyone's ready to learn something. This isn't English class, you know. That's enough for today. Good work.
I'm getting good at this.
No sweat.
Hey, Jimmy! Hey, Jimmy!
Definitely.
How fast can you stuff losers into lockers?
I hope the police got my application.
What if I start a rumor about me being a princess? Life is so boring.
Prepare to get... Hope you're not claustrophobic.
Oh, I'm so bored.
And shut up, okay? I wanna go home.
Fellow Bullworth Academy. I hear you're mechanically apt,
All right,
but I'm not
I'll
sure
do
I
it.
believe it. Care to prove me wrong?
You got problems, bozo.
I'm clearly going places. I hunger.
This stinks. I have locked on target.
So,
I'm going to pretend.
If I don't get that A, my mom will be so...
this school needs more discipline.
These new kids so darn fast. Never doing this again. Never.
I can't believe anyone likes condiments. I mean, they're like starters.
Come on, you big baby.
Hope you're not afraid of the dark.
I hope my legs don't fall asleep.
She's got the hots for me, I know it. My legs.
Is 14 too many to be on?
Hopkins, get back here this minute. I don't have time to
I can't
bother.
tell Mom about that at all. She'd be so mad.
I'm sure he was just kidding when he called me annoying.
I wonder what everyone is talking about this.
Dave,
I'm going to find some troublemakers today.
I have to go call my
wonder
mom.
what a stupid brat is.
I feel trapped here. I belong with famous people.
Why am I surrounded by morons?
I haven't told on anyone yet today.
I wish I could go to school 7
Just
days a
another
week.
name to
I
add
sure
to the
hope
list.
nobody gives me a wedgie.
That
today.
window's been broken 6 times this week.
You are such a friggin' wimp.
What have
The
I
law
ever done
always
to you
wins.
to deserve such brutality?
I wish I could see R-rated movies.
Can't let anyone know I still do that. I mean,
If I could get all the way found that out. Bite me,
Hi,
you
Dad.
weed.
Hi. Oh, hi.
I'm so
I don't know what to say.
Fear not, a prefect is on the case.
I don't have a lot of...
why does everyone make fun of ninjas?
right?
Last summer... This is for you!
I think I'm getting emotionally scarred.
Just got
Please let me go.
Yo,
I don't like fighting, but I guess I have
Go bother someone else.
Did you ever wish?
peasant. I'll put you in your place.
I'm unleashing...
I've been through. Come on!
trying to look
Make him
just like
bleed.
me. How creepy is that?
Glad I don't enter the fray. We want blood!
People just seem so offended.
His left eye looks swollen. A fight. Hopkins, you're such a whip! We want blood!
Careful!
The losers are not
better, you know? Hopkins, you're pathetic! You look pathetic! Come on! I love watching a good match! Ridiculous fighting! Break it off! I still think Hopkins will lose!
Losers are rotten egg!
I wonder if Aquaberry breeds horses.
Comes
Just
through.
like me.
This
How
whole school
creepy
is
is
a version of my dad. Uncivilized, but I can't look away. Show some spirit,
Boy,
man.
so dangerous.
Oh, how very amusing.
Exciting.
I've got a lot of money to bet on this. You look pathetic. Show some spirit, man.
Hopkins is surprisingly tough.
We want blood. A fight. Oh, how very amusing. That's the best you can do. Enter the fray. $50 says that Hopkins is going to rise it.
Don't worry.
Kick him
Jimmy's
in the
tough.
Johnson. $20 on the dumb-looking one. Be glad I don't enter a fight. Well, I'm gone. You can't trust any.
I swear
To
she's
him,
trying to
come
look
on.
just like
Show some spirit.
creepy.
I've got a lot of money to bet on this. A fight. Oh, how very amusing. I want to see some blood.
I wonder if Aquaberry breeds horses. That looks like it hurts.
Johnson.
Authentic and real.
Come on. Make him believe.
His left eye looks swollen.
Maybe I can make Daddy divorce her when she gets older.
Very uncivilized, but I can't look away.
Hopkins, you're pathetic!
Boy, it's so dangerous and so exciting.
That's the best thing to do.
Is it genetic or something? I swear she's trying to look just like me.
$20 on the dumb look.
Maybe I can make Daddy I wonder if Aquaberry breeds horses.
Very amusing.
So rude. Is it genetic or
Look at that ridiculous fighting!
But I
something?
can't
Boy
look
is
away.
so dangerous.
You look pathetic. Uncivilized, but I can't look away. Show some spirit, man. The losers are
I
rotten
swear
egg.
she's trying to look just like me.
Why did you guys
Oh, don't worry. Jimmy's tough.
I want to see some blood. Amusing.
Careful!
Come on. Take him. Show some spirit, man.
Life is so much better, you know?
I want to see some blood.
That looks like it hurts.
Ridiculous fighting! Hopkins is...
I want to see some blood.
And done.
My father donated all that money to build a new library, and yet I'm still forced to go to classes with these
Maybe I can use this to my advantage.
The losers are rotten egg.
Knock him unconscious!
Break it off. Kick him in the Johnson. Give it to him. Come on. I want to see some blood.
Hopkins, you're pathetic!
A fight. Very amusing.
Hopkins, you're such a wimp!
Be glad I don't enter the fight.
Oh, don't worry. Jimmy's tough.
I want to see some blood.
Did I do it?
Knock him unconscious.
Maybe I can make Daddy divorce her when she gets older.
Show some spirit, man. Uncivilized, but I can't rock. You
Hopkins is surprisingly tough.
Couldn't you just be friends?
Call that a wrap?
Losers are rotten now.
Knock him unconscious.
Come on.
Be glad I don't enter the fray.
Knock him unconscious.
That boy is so dangerous and so exciting.
I love watching a good match.
I swear she's trying to look just like him. How creepy is that?
His left eye looks swollen.
Give it to him, come on!
I could do so much better, you know?
We want fight! Oh, very amusing.
Hopkins is surprisingly tough.
Seems so authentic and
Another good
All
deed.
right, I won! Give me my prize.
There's a little problem. Your parents have to be members of the board for you to be eligible. Tell you what, old chap. We'll give you that old abandoned beach house. Should be nice once you clean it up.
That's how it's done.
I'm pretty much the best. I mean, the real estate investor I know.
Check this out, fool! Oh, come on, I never meant it. We're equals, let's talk it out. You suck, man! You'll regret this, I swear you